Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2007 Toyota 4Runner. I'm going to show you how to replace the driver's side rear, left rear reverse light bulb. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. Dielectric grease and a small flat tip screwdriver. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. A 921 light bulb. Okay, so now we're on the inside, so I'm going to be removing this panel. So with a screwdriver, just pop it out. Okay, so it's going to be the lower bulb. So if you look inside, there's a brown socket. I'm going to have to turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. The bulb should be in that socket. So I'm going to be pulling out my bulb. Putting on some dielectric grease. Putting my new bulb in. And then now I'm going to screw it in. Okay, so now I'm going to start up the vehicle and put it in reverse. So I'm going to be putting this plastic cover on. And you're good to go. So that's how you replace a reverse light bulb. Make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Aloha.